This is the scene. We're at Roachville Ford Ramp, Green River, getting ready to kayak through the rapids. Chris and Ryan are ready for an adventure, so I get drug into it. And I'll see you at the other end. Supposedly 6 miles. I'm sure we're doing it at an epic pace today. We were planning on fishing. That's not happening in this current. See you in a little bit.
Kayaking down the Green River today, below Green River Lake. It's at 740 CFM. The guys behind me. It's gonna be a good day. It's the first time we went down through here and it's a little high, but so far so good. Don't have to paddle much.
It's just going that way. We're not sure what's over there. We'll see if we meet him on the other side. We're gonna go this way. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! I got nothing. I got nothing, Ryan. It still looks like it goes further than that. He may try to shoot out there. Caw-caw! Here's another little opening. Okay. I'll cut over if I see another one. Bye-bye. Lost another one. So some quick rules of kayaking. I think you're supposed to stay with your group. And I've already lost both Ryan and Chris. Chris took off first around an island, and then Ryan went on that last little place to go find Chris. So now here I am, floating down the river. Gonna have to make a decision myself here. Let's turn our boat around. I think I hear the boys. There's my boys. Isn't there a rule in kayaking where you're not supposed to leave your people?
Waterfall. Watch that tree. Ryan's passing you.
It's my boy. I love him.
Made it.
We made it! 6.5 miles.
How long did it take?
10:30, 12:40.
2 hours.
2 hours. Okay, let's stop.
Yeah, we stopped for a second. We had our flag up. Ryan got us to our flag. Successful trip. Nobody died.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, I got wet when I went around that tree up there in the sees we're a little angry. It's more deceiving standing here looking at it than it is being on it. Fajita night.
Steak.
Chorizo.
Chorizo.
Going. Everything's about done. I'm gonna some onions going back here because it's not gonna take everything up very long to get done. Then start caramelizing and then they'll be in there with the chorizo.
And then chicken is next. What? That's a lot of food.
I'm gonna cut these up in strips after I cook them.
There's only 3 of us here. We'll make do. Oh my, we just took it to another level.
Hot tortillas coming up for fajita night.
This Blackstone griddle is the best thing that's happened to us camping, I'm telling you.
These even smell better.
Everything is just so easy. Learning new stuff all the time. Give it a try. The finished product. Not a bad setup. The only thing we don't think we have, maybe some salsa, because we took that in the house, but we're gonna make do without it. It's gonna be fine. Nice. Thank you, Mr. Chris.
Valley Nature Trail.
Grab one of the brochures so we don't get lost.
Yeah, leave it. And see, Ryan, you're gonna learn so much. What kind of tree is that?
Don't.
Ryan's going with tall. It's a black cherry.
Ooh, I like black
It's a
cherry.
black cherry.
I like a black cherry candle.
Make it hard.
Not going to want to hear about the rules of hiking and leaving people alone. Somebody's not following the rules. And I'm not for sure if it's you all leaving me or me staying behind.
That's you lagging.
You were